if you can see, there is a word K, right? K stands for what? K-N-O-L-O-G.
Knowledge, sir.
Knowledge. Yeah, knowledge. So for writing, speaking, reading, or listening, you need that knowledge, right? Right. So easiest way, simplest way, like, and without working much, you build a listening skills, right? Listening skills. Listening skills. What is listening skills? If you understand, yeah. We'll continue, complete the slides, and then we'll again come to these slides and discuss. Yeah. Let's go to the next slide. Okay. As you know, the flow of my sessions, listening skills at new workplace. When you listen at new workplace, you learn a lot, right? Because something which is new, you should know complete about it. Then it will be easy for you to work, right? Same with the new environment, listening skills plays an important role. New colleagues, the more you listen, your colleagues will only have a professional connect with you. When you have more listening about professional connect, right, then you'll realize that what you need to speak or what you need to avoid. Parallelly, you learn, you get subject, right? You learn when you listen. Welcome to listening skills. What is hearing? We need to understand first, right? The difference between hearing and listening, the day you realize, that will be great. Maximum time when you have some work, right? Like Mahendra is sitting on his desktop and doing some work. At that time, he may be in a hearing mode. When let's say he got a mail from his company and he's checking that mail, then he is automatically into hearing mode, because he's not concentrating on that particular, like this particular session. He is doing a multitasking job, right? You end up in hearing, right? Even you are understand, right? You may like when you are talking to your boss and there is sudden disturbance sound, and you are reacting to that sound somewhere, seeing somewhere, right? You automatically change from listening skills to hearing, right? Listening to hearing, right? So try to avoid the hearing part, build up the listening part, listening skills, right? Hearing aids will be given. If you are not able to get what is said, then you'll be using hearing aids. When you are at office, if you're not able to get you, right, then you cannot survive, so you cannot have a hearing mode, right? And the second, right, hearing occurs without your consent, right? But listening skills, your involvement is must. So to understand what is hearing, right, now let's understand what is listening. You choose to actively connect, concentrate, right, on what you are hearing, right? It means you show you are interested in what others are saying. When you present the listening skills, automatically your boss will come to know your interest level in the topic, right? When you are in a listening mode, automatically your boss will come to know that you are an achiever, right? That's the reason I made a pyramid, a star on top. To reach at that level, listening skills plays an important role. And managers, right? The role of managers is, we assume manager job is the best job, but manager has to listen from both the sides. He has to listen from his what do you call, seniors. It can be a regional manager or director or president. He has to listen from them, right? And then understand it and pass to his juniors. Next level, that is, no one is junior in the office, to his team, who is executives or assistant manager or floor leader or floor manager, right? If he is not good at listening, right, or he only is in a hearing mode, he will not recollect, right? When you concentrate on something, you will recollect, right? It will be a learning for you. When you're, it's, if you want to tell me, it's like this: you open a MS Word file and you have just typed some matter to be sent to Jitendra sir, and you have not saved the file. It's like hearing. And if you have saved the file, it is listening. Maybe vague example, but to understand. So when you save the file, again after 10 days, 15 days, you will get into that file, get the information. Same way, when you are in a listening mode, after a couple of days, after a week, after 10 days, you will recollect whatever is been discussed in the class, at office, or at the time of meeting, right? So listening plays an important role. What is the importance of listening skills? Right? If you're a good listener, your attitude is being reflected, right? And if you want to learn more, right? Right? Be a good listener. What is the difference between good listener and a good listener? Not much, but only difference is listener and will only non-verbally acknowledge what you people are doing when you're sending in a group. You're also showing me your listening skills. No doubt you're doing your homework, you're checking from Google, but still you're sharing your understanding. That is, you're listening to my class and then sharing more than what I said. A good listener quality, right? And the most important pillar of communication is listening, right? We always assume English communication, we need to know English. Any communication, it's, first of all, communication is not language dependent. In whichever language you're doing communication, listening skills plays an important role. And effective listening, right? Effective listening means acknowledging, right? Acknowledging and sharing your understanding. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Please read this slide, very much important. It is an act of actively absorbing the information given to you and showing you are interested. It's like, that means providing feedback, right? Understand? I said any doubts, right? The second point, right side circle points, you need to understand. Santosh, right? Effective listening means you need to give feedback, provide with feedback, right? Ask relevant questions, right? Relevant questions. Like, for example, you people are saying you understood, great. I believe you are listening, great. But the effective listening and the right personality, right, to present to the world, a good habit is you ask relevant questions. Now, you can ask me, sir, I have understood everything. So what question should I ask? If I have not understood, I would ask the question. No, more important is, if you understood, ask question to check whether your understanding is right or wrong. It's like you only have given answers. You understood it, but have you understood it rightly or wrong? Right? Right? I said, if I say right side, and if you're sitting opposite of me, right, your right and my right will be different sides, right? So that confusion or misunderstanding, right? You'll come to know. Or it is like this: tell me something about Mahendra. So I can say something and you understood it. Still, when you give a feedback, ask one relevant question. Now I'll give you the tip, like which question should I answer. I understood, let's say you told me all 10 points in a day. I understood it perfectly 100%, right? So which question should I ask? Shall I pick it randomly something? No. You need to ask a question which is the key for the topic, right? And when you ask a question, now for today's topic, hearing and listening is a key, right? So when you ask a question, first you need to say, sir, hearing is about so and so thing, listening about so and so thing. So still, then you frame a question, right? Try to do this, try to make a habit of that, right? And when someone asks you, that do you have any doubts? See, understand, it's habit. It's just about when I'm asking you, it's like I'm giving you opportunity. Office, you may get opportunities like, right? You should have an habit of grabbing that opportunity, right? So when I ask you, have you understood? Do you have any doubts? Probably yes, you don't have doubts. That's clear. But then try to give feedback or try to ask a relevant question, right? From now onwards, try to do that. Make it a habit. When you're listening to someone, your effective listening is where you share your listening, right? I'm sure you people are reading the slides,
Yes, sir.
right? So when you're listening to someone, you can use this couple of things, right? Mahinder, shall I give you another, like listening skills? How should I start? Someone, right? These are the 2 points. Can you add 3 more points? Right?
Okay,
So, yeah, I know bombarding video is not for tomorrow. So tomorrow before tomorrow's session, you just share this, right? I need 2 videos and abbreviation. I want it every day. Yeah. Listening skills when you listen. So now today's, you can say, do you have any questions? Then you can say, so your point is that listening and hearing are different, and then you frame a question. You are framing a question about your understanding, right? Because you are learning whatever you listen, right? As I understand it, what you're saying is so and so, right? When you say, like for example, I have given an example. I said right, and it will, when you're sitting opposite to me, it will be right will be another different for you. So in that scenario, or in that type of confusion where you have understood it, but you're not clear who's right, you're talking about my right or your right. In that scenario, we can start saying that as I understood it, what you're saying is it should be on my right side, or whatever you continue the sentence. Okay, clear, Santosh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Benefits of effective listening. If someone asks me, sir, I want to improve my English, right? Because at office I want to be successful, I want to learn my English. I would like to say, first cover the 53%, and how to improve this listening skills, right? Your weakness, or make your weakness as your strength, or what make your resources useful. You may have one of you may have your classmate who are catching the voice which you want and neglecting the other voice which are coming, right? Understanding the topic, right? That will help you, right? I know I'm not teaching wrong, but that's what I'm teaching. We'll end up with this slide, and we'll connect after 5 minutes. Okay. Avoid difficulties. Yes. If you are right, if you are avoiding difficulties, you will become a poor listener. Please understand, take it as challenge. There's no difficulties, it is a challenge. If you in your life, if you have difficulties, you are an executive. If you are a growing personality, it is a challenge, right? So I want to just end up at this level.